Hello everyone, my name is Ariel Furman. In this video, we'll be discussing one of my favorite intro Excel features, conditional formatting. What I like about it is that it allows you to draw out the most important information based on easily input criteria about your dataset. For example, let's look at the fictitious case of Vivaldi Bakery, where we'd like to see how our sales are divided between employees. We'll select our numbers, which you can do with your mouse, or just select the first cell and press Ctrl, Shift, and the right and down arrows. Under Styles, go to Conditional Formatting where there are multiple options. I'd like to see which employees brought in more than $950, so I'll go to Highlight Cell Rules and Greater Than. Type in 950, and then I need to select how I'd like to format the cells that fit this criteria. I'd like the green fill with dark green text, although this is something that we can change if we'd like by going to Custom Format. Next, I'd like to highlight my lowest 10%, so I'll go to Conditional Formatting, Top Bottom Rules, and Bottom 10%. We can change the percentage on the left side here. And what I really like about the conditional formatting is that even before I've actually changed the data, before I've pressed OK, I get a preview of what my data will look like. I already have three in fact, cells that are highlighted. In conditional formatting, you also get added visuals like the data bars, where you can compare your cells, the color scales, and icon sets. Let's select arrows. These are all very helpful to understanding your data in an instant. You can clear your rules by going to Clear Rules, where you can choose to clear either from selected cells or from an entire sheet. And if you just want a quick edit or to review what each rule means, you can click on Manage Rules. Hopefully this helped you with your conditional formatting. As always, feel free to ask questions and don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.